Good morning students. My name is Ives Vidyarthi and today I will start the next topic of chapter 8. The name of this chapter is MS PowerPoint. In the last video we have discussed about components of MS PowerPoint and now we will discuss about the components of slide. Okay. Slide is the important part of MS PowerPoint presentation. You all know about the slide. Slide is the important part of MS PowerPoint presentation. That is a page of MS PowerPoint presentation and is used to display the brief information, or we can say that the detailed information about any topic. So we can say that slide is a page of MS PowerPoint presentation that is used to display the brief information or the detailed information about any topic. Now we will discuss about the components of slides. Components of slides are handouts, speakers notes and outlines. So first of all we will start with the handouts. Okay, now we will discuss one by one. First I will discuss handouts. Slides in presentation when printed out are known as handout. When we make presentation, in addition to the slides that are produced, we requires handouts to be given to the audience. Handouts are compressed version of the slide of your presentation. Okay, so what we have discussed, now we have discussed handouts. Slides in the presentation when printed out are known as handouts. Now we will discuss the next, and the next is speakers notes. Speaker notes are the additional text material. Speaker notes are the additional text material in form of notes to add the presenter. So that's why we can say that speakers notes are the additional text material in the form of notes to add the presenter. Presenter means what? Who is creating the presentation. PowerPoint allows us to create speakers notes, which is a small image of the slides along with some explanatory notes. Okay, I hope you all are able to understand. Now the next topic that we will discuss, that is the outline. This is also the main component of slide. Outlines are summarized version of the slides which displaying the titles and the main text. Okay, outlines are summarized version of the slides which display the titles and main text. So it can be used to organize the flow of your presentation. So what we can do, we can use like this. It can be used to organize the flow of your presentation. Now we will discuss the next. Now we will discuss how we can create a presentation using a theme. So how we can add the theme in the presentation. So MS PowerPoint gives a number of ready-made slides design and that is called theme. What is this? PowerPoint gives a number of ready-made slide design and these designs are called theme, so that we can use to make our presentation look better. Okay, the theme appear as small pictures called thumbnails. So if the question will ask what is the thumbnail, so you can write the answer like the theme appears as small pictures called thumbnails. Follow these steps to add the theme. Whenever you have to add the theme, you can follow these steps and using this you can add the theme. First of all, you will click on File tab, then you will click on New option, then you will click on Theme, and after clicking on Theme, click on one of the themes to view it. Okay, anyone you will click and you can choose anyone, and the slide in our presentation will now have the design in the theme. So now you understand how we can add the theme in our presentation and make it, and it will look better than previous. Now we will discuss about table and steps to add table in MS PowerPoint. Okay, you all know about the table. So how we can add table in the presentation, that also I will discuss. Tables are another tool that we can use to display information in PowerPoint 2010, because now we are using MS PowerPoint 2010. So a table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. You have seen in the table rows and columns are there. So we can follow these steps to create a table. We can follow these steps to create a table. Follow these steps. First of all, what you have to do, first of all you have to select the slide that you want to add a table. What you will do, first of all you have to select the slide that you want to add a table, then click on the Insert tab. Select the slide, then click on insert tab, and after that you have to select the table. After that you have to select the table, and you will see that in the insert table dialog box, do one of the following. Use the mouse to select the number of rows and columns that you want. If you want to add 3 columns, select the 3 columns. You want to add 3 rows, select the 3 rows. So depend upon your requirement how many rows and columns you need for that table. Then to add the text to the table cells, click on cell and then enter your text. Just you will add the table, then after that you have to click inside the cell. You will see that you will add the table, 3 things will appear there: cell, column and row. Okay, so you have to click inside the cell and you can start to type the text. You will see there, after typing the text it will appear in the cell. Okay, you will see that the text will be entered in the table. Just you have entered and you have written, the text will appear there. Now we will discuss about notes pane and slide layout. Okay, that is also important thing in the MS PowerPoint. So these are the important part of MS PowerPoint. First we will discuss notes pane. Notes pane, you all know about the notes pane that we have discussed in short, but now I will discuss in detail. In notes pane we can type your personal notes about the current slide. Okay, you can write the personal notes about the current slide during the slide, so this section is not visible to the audience because only presenter can see, but presenter can only view and read his explanation about the slide from notes pane, and it will help the presenter to explain that topic. If you write something in the notes pane, that is the personal notes, and only presenter means what? Presenter who is creating the presentation, that is called the presenter. So if they are going to explain about that topic in the in front of the audience, in the meeting, in the seminar, so that time only presenter will see the personal notes and it will help the presenter to explain about the topic that he or she has written. Now the next topic that we have to discuss, that is the slide layout. That is the slide layout. Slide layouts contains formatting, positioning and placeholders for all of the content that appears on the slides. Okay, placeholders are the containers in layout that can hold like text, tables, charts, videos, sounds, picture and clip art. You all know in the slide layout, this is the structure of the slide. You can select any desired layout and you can start to type, and there you can, what you can add, we are going to create the presentation. We can use many things. We can use like the text, we can use like the charts, we can use diagrams, we can use tables, you can use videos, sounds and clip art also. Okay, so using this we can add all the things and we can create the presentation, and these things are we can add in the slide layouts also. Okay, now I will discuss about steps to add slides. Okay, how we can add the slide, these steps I will discuss. We can follow these steps to add the slide. So whenever you have to add the new slide, first of all you will click on home tab. What you will do, first of all you will click on home tab, then you will click on new slide, and after that you will say that many layouts will appear there. So select the layout that you want to add on the slide. Okay, and after clicking that you will see that the layout will appear on the slide. Now we will explain the topic in next slide that you have added. So using the new slide, just you are writing something in the notebook and the copy, you need many pages. And if you are going to explain something using the MS PowerPoint presentation, you have to add more than one slide, because you have to explain. If you are not able to explain in one slide, then you can add more than one slide, 2 slide, 3 slide, and there also you can add the images, text, audio, videos, etc. So that's why it is depend upon your choice, it is depend upon your requirement that how many slides you need, and one by one you can add slide layouts also, and you can define that topic, you can explain that topic in detail, and it will added in the presentation. Okay, and after creating the presentation, you have added slide, you have added images, audio, video, each and everything you have added, and themes, everything, and after that you need to save, then you can use for the future. So if you think that it is required in the future, so you can save. So after creating the presentation, save the presentation and follow these steps to save a presentation. So whenever you have to save the presentation, you can follow these steps. Click on file tab. What you will do, click on file tab, then you will click on save or save as option. You can choose any option, save or save as, and then select the drive like C drive, D drive, desktop, etc. Any one drive you have to select, there you want to store the file. And after selecting the drive, what you have to do, write the name of file and click on save. What you have to do, you have to write the name of the file and you have to click on save, and you will see that the MS PowerPoint presentation file will be saved. And after saving the file, you have done all things, created the presentation, then you can run as slideshow with the help of the F5 shortcut key. Question can be come in the examination, what the shortcut key will use to run the slideshow? There you will write F5. Okay, and you can see all the slides one by one on your computer screen. So using the slideshow, we can all the slides one by one with the help of the shortcut key F5, and you will see that one by one all the slides will appear on the computer screen. Okay, so we have discussed many things and I hope you all understood. Okay, thanks for watching video.